So we have seen the theoretical part of the derivative of the vector valued function. Okay. So now we'll see how to solve the problem by using that theorems. Okay. For the vector valued function, derivatives and motion of the vector valued function for this. Okay. So this problem is provided to you. If r bar of t is equal to t plus 1, r bar of t is equal to t plus 1, this is t plus 1, t plus 1 I bar, and t square minus 1 j bar is the position of a particle. This is a particle in the xy plane at time t. Okay, what you have to do? Find an equation in xy, find in terms of x and y, whose graph is the path of the particle. So we have to find the equation in terms of x and y for this curve. Okay, so then find the particle's velocity and acceleration vector at time t. Okay, this part is very easy. Okay, solution. Okay, given that r bar of t is equal to t plus 1 I bar plus t square minus 1 j bar. This is equal to x I bar plus y j bar. Okay, so x is equal to what? T plus 1. Y is equal to what? T square minus 1. I can write this is what? T plus 1 into t minus 1. Okay, this I can write as in terms of t plus 1 minus 2. Okay, so t plus 1 is your x, and again t plus 1 is x minus 2. So your y is what? Therefore y is equal to x into x minus 2. That is what? X square minus twice x. Okay, so this is your position in the. Okay, so we got the relation y is the required equation, whose graph is the path of the particle. Okay, now we have to find the velocity and acceleration. Okay, so d by v bar is equal to d by dt of r bar of t. This is equal to what? D by dt. So this is what? I bar plus 2t j bar. Okay, so v bar at t is equal to what? 1. V bar at t is equal to 1. This is 1. This should be the 1. Okay, so you have to put t is equal to 1. So this is what? I bar plus 2 j bar. This is your velocity at time t is equal to 1. Okay, acceleration a bar d by dt of v bar of t. So this is what? 2 j bar. Okay, so a bar at 1 is equal to what? 2 j bar only. 2 j bar. Okay, so next we'll take if r bar of t is equal to t plus 1 I bar plus t square upon root 2 j bar plus t cube upon 3 k bar is the position of a particle in the space at time t. Find the particle's velocity and acceleration vectors at t is equal to 1. Write the particle's velocity at that time as product of its speed and direction Okay, so that will do this. Okay, solution. Given that r bar of t is equal to t plus 1 I bar plus t square upon root 2 j bar plus t cube upon 3 k bar. Okay, so dr bar by dt. So this is v bar. So dr bar by dt is what then? I bar plus 2 t root 2 j bar plus 3 t square upon 3 k bar. Okay, I will write a bar also. A bar is equal to d by dt of v bar. So this is what 2 means this is what just 2 root 2. Okay, just we will simplify this. J bar plus 3 get cancelled. That means what 2t k bar. 2t k bar. Okay, so v bar at t is equal to 1. T is equal to what? Particle velocity at t is equal to 1. Okay, so v bar at 1. What is that? I bar plus root 2 j bar, because 2 upon root 2, 2 means root 2 into root 2 get cancelled. Okay, plus k bar, 3 get cancelled, t is equal to 1. Okay, so a bar at 1 is nothing but what? So root 2 j bar plus 2 k bar. Okay, so this is your velocity. This is velocity. Okay, this is velocity. We will write velocity, and this is what? Acceleration. So what is the speed? Okay, the speed is equal to mod of v bar 1. Okay, so mod of v bar is what then? Mod of v bar is this. Okay, this is what? Root 1 plus root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to root 2 square is 2, 2 plus 2, so this is 2 now. This is 2. Okay, so what is that then? Okay, so we can write the particle velocity at that time as the product of the speed and the direction. Okay, so particle velocity is what? Particle velocity is v bar at 1. Okay, so now direction. So you need to find the direction. Okay, so direction is equal to v cap. Okay, so that is what? V bar v cap at 1. Okay, so v bar of 1 upon mod of v bar at 1. Mod of v bar. So what is your v bar? So this is 1 by root 2. This is mod of, this is what? 1 by 2 only. Okay, 2 into what is v bar? V bar is what? 1 I bar plus root 2 j bar plus k bar. Okay, plus k bar. Okay, this is okay. So I will write this as 1/2 I bar plus root 2 upon 2 j bar plus 1/2 k bar. This is your direction. What we have to do then? Velocity at time t as a product of the speed and the direction. Okay, so now your v bar is what? Your v bar is what? I bar plus root 2 j bar plus k bar. Okay, so can I express this as the speed and the direction? This is your speed and direction. Okay, so just I will do the product now. This is what? 2 into 1 half I bar plus root 2 upon 2 j bar plus 1 by 2 k bar. You can take 2 common from here. Take 2 common from here. So this is. So what is this? See, this is what? Speed. Your 2 is the speed. Just you have calculate 2 is the speed. And what is this? This is the direction. 1 half this. This is the direction. So into direction. So just take the speed common from the v bar. Just take the speed common. So speed is 2. You have taken the common. Automatically you get a direction. See, automatically you get a direction. Okay. So the problem is over now. Next, if r bar of t is equal to ln of t square plus 1 I bar plus tan inverse of t j bar plus root of t square plus 1 k bar is the position of a particle in the space at time t. Find, problems are very important here. Find the angle between the velocity and acceleration vectors at time t is equal to 0. You have to find, just first we will find the velocity and the acceleration at time t is equal to 0. Okay. Solution. Given that r bar of t is equal to ln of t square plus 1 I bar plus tan inverse of t j bar plus root of t square plus 1 k bar. Okay. So velocity is nothing but dy dt of r bar of t. This is equal to, okay. So the velocity, I will write this velocity as v bar is equal to this. Okay. Velocity v bar. Okay, no problem. Velocity v bar. So we have to differentiate this 1 upon t square plus 1 into 2t. Right. So log of something, 1 upon something into derivative of something plus the derivative of tan inverse of t. This is 1 upon 1 plus t square j bar plus 1 upon 2 root of t square plus 1 into 2t k bar. Okay. So now this acceleration a bar this is what? d by dt of v bar now. Now we have to apply the product rule now. U by v rule. This is what? For this is a real valued function. This is not a vector. This total is a vector valued function. We are differentiating component wise. Component is a real valued function. Okay. So you can use the product rule. So this is what? T square plus 1 into 2 minus 2 into t into 2t upon t square plus 1 bracket square. This is your I bar. Okay. Plus 1 upon something. So this is minus 1 upon something into derivative of something, that is 2t j bar plus this 2 get cancelled. Okay. Now again I have to apply the u by v rule. Okay. So this is plus root of t square plus 1 as it is into derivative of t is 1 minus t as it is derivative of this. Okay. So this is what? 1 upon 2 root of t square plus 1 into 2t upon the square of this one. So t square plus 1 k bar. Okay. So we are not simplifying this. We will directly put t is equal to 0. So therefore we are not simplifying this. So what? V bar at 0. Just we will find v bar at 0. So this is 0. So this is 0. So this is what? Only j bar. J bar. So that means what here? 0 I bar plus 1 into j bar plus 0 into k bar. Okay, we'll write all the components. Okay, so a bar of 0. You have to find the acceleration at the time t is equal to 0. Okay, so t is equal to 0. So t is equal to 0. So this will be 0. So this is 0 means this is 2 I bar. Right, because here 1 square 2 I bar. So therefore we are not simplifying this. Plus 0 j bar, minus 0 bar or plus 0 bar. Okay, no problem. T is not here, but t is here. So second term will be the 0. Okay, so here 1 upon 1 is 1. So this is plus k bar. This is what? Plus k bar. Okay, so let theta be the angle between v bar of 0 and a bar of 0. Okay, so therefore cos theta is equal to, you have to take the dot product. This is what? 0 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1. Okay, upon mod of v bar of 0 into mod of a bar of 0. Or you may write, instead of this, the root of, very simple now, component square. So this is what? 0 square plus 1 square plus 0 square. Actually what? This numerator is 0, so they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so this is what then? 2 square plus 0 square plus 1 square. No need to find the value of this one because your numerator is 0. Okay, no need to find the value of the denominator, whatever it may be. So this is 0. So therefore theta is equal to pi by 2. So you have to find the angle between this. So your angle is pi by 2 or 90 degree you can write. Okay. Okay, so next problem. Find parametric equations for the line that is tangent to the given curve r bar of t is equal to ln of t I bar plus t minus 1 upon t plus 2 j bar plus t ln of t k bar at t naught is equal to 1 or at t is equal to 1. At t is equal to 1. Okay, solution. We know that, just we'll write our knowledge. We know that the tangent line to a smooth curve, r bar of t is equal to f of t I bar plus g of t k bar plus h of t, this is j bar, h of t k bar at t is equal to t naught is the line that passes through the point f of t naught, g of t naught, h of t naught, and parallel to v bar of T naught. V bar of T naught. Okay. R bar of T is equal to, given that, this is the formula actually. Okay. Given that R bar of T is equal to what? Ln of T plus T minus 1 T plus 2 J bar plus T into Ln of T K bar. Okay. R bar of 1. We'll find R bar of 1. So what is R bar of 1? So this is 0 I bar plus 0 J bar plus 0 K bar. No problem for this one. That means your tangent line is passing through this. Okay. So we'll find V bar now. So V bar is equal to d by dt of R bar. D by dt of R bar. This is what? 1 upon T I bar. 1 upon T I bar. Plus, you have to differentiate this by U by V rule. Okay. So T plus 2 minus T plus 2 into derivative of T minus 1. Okay. Minus T minus 1 into derivative of T plus 2 is 1 upon, don't simplify this. Okay. So we have to find a value at T is equal to 1. So directly we will do this. So then what? This is ln T, T into ln T. Okay. So plus, I will write in bracket now because this product, so it contains two terms. So we have to write in bracket. So this is what? T upon T plus ln T K bar. Okay. So don't simplify, don't cancel this T and T. This is T upon T as it is. Derivative of ln T is 1 upon T. Okay. So now V bar at 1 now. So what is that? I bar. So if you put T is equal to 1, so if you put T is equal to 1, this is 0. This is 0. So this is 3. So 3 upon 1 by 3. So this is what? 1 by 3 J bar. Is it 1 by 3? Okay, so 1 by 3. If you put T is equal to 1, so this is 3, this is 0, this is 3 square. Okay, so this is correct. Plus K bar. Plus K bar. Okay. So therefore, the tangent line passing through tangent line is passing through. So this is R bar of 1 means what? Passing through 0, 0, 0 and parallel to V bar of 1. Equations we will call this word. Equations of the tangent line passing through 0, 0, 0 and parallel to V bar are just we write in previous knowledge of this is what? X minus 0 upon 1, y minus 0 upon 1 by 3, z minus 0 upon these are the direction ratios upon 1. T is equal to T sec. Okay. So this is what? X is equal to T, y is equal to 1 by 3 T, z is equal to T. Okay. So this is these are the equations of the tangent line. These are the parametric equations. These are the parametric equations of the tangent line. Next problem will take. Find the values of T. Find the values of T so that the tangent line the tangent line to the given curve, to the given curve, r bar of t is equal to t square I bar plus 1 plus t j bar 2t minus 3 k bar contains the point minus 8 to minus 1. So what here? Point is not provided to you. Okay, where you have to find a derivative, that point is not given to you. Find the values of t. You have to find the values of t so that it contains this point. Okay, so we solve. Okay, solution. R bar of t is equal to 2t. This is t square I bar plus 1 plus t j bar plus 2t minus 3 k bar. Okay, now your v bar of t is equal to 2t I bar plus j bar plus 2 k bar. Okay, the equations of line. Okay, the equations of the tangent passing through the point minus 8 to minus 1 and parallel to v bar of t are, okay, x plus 8 upon 2t is equal to y minus 2 upon 1, z plus 1 upon 2 is equal to kc. You have to find the values of t now. Okay, so x is equal to 2kt plus 8. Okay, so y is equal to k plus 2 and z is equal to 2k minus 1. Okay, so this is okay, but yeah, okay. But your x is what here? X is t square. Okay, t square is equal to twice kt plus 8. Your y is equal to 1 plus t. 1 plus t is equal to k plus 2. And your z is equal to 2t minus 3 is equal to 2t minus 1. Z is equal to, oh, this is what? 2k minus 1. This is 2k minus 1. Okay, so we solve this and we'll find the value of this. Okay, now this is complicated to solve this one. Okay, we'll find the values of k and t from here, and just we'll put here. You will get the value of t now. Okay, so we'll find this. So what here? 1 plus t means what? T minus k is equal to 1. Okay, from this equation. And here what? 2t minus 2k is equal to, we have to shift this side, is equal to 2, is equal to 2. Okay, so that means again this is the same as what? T minus k is equal to 1. Okay, so therefore k is equal to what? Therefore k is equal to, you have to shift k, so t minus 1, k is equal to t minus 1. So I'll put t is equal to k minus 1 here. Okay, so this is what then? T square is equal to 2 t minus 1 into t plus 8. Okay, so this is what? This is 2. Okay, so just we write t square is equal to 2t square minus 2 plus 8. So we'll shift t to that side. What we get then? I will write here. Okay, t square minus 2t plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is what then? T minus 4 into t plus 2. T, what is this then? Oh, this is minus 8, not, this is minus 8. Okay, so I have to shift that. This is minus 8. This is minus 8. Okay, so this should be the minus 8 then. This should be the minus 8. Okay, now it's work now. T minus 4, t plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so t is equal to 4 minus 2 are the required values. Are the required values. Okay, so these are the required values. Okay, I hope that you understand this one. Okay, so now we will stop here. Thank you.